What's going on, y'all? Welcome to the Mastablendz Grilling and Cooking channel. My name is Trey, and today we're going to be making pulled pork. Stay tuned. Alright, y'all, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm about to show you how I do my pulled pork, which is actually just pork shoulder or pork butt, however you want to say, Boston butt. It's really inexpensive. This is 7.9 pounds and it was $7.86. So I mean, that's a lot of meat. You could take care of a lot of people using this. It just takes a long time to cook. That's the only downside. But once you cook it right, you're gonna always want to keep making it. So first thing we're gonna do, I got the fat side up. I like to go ahead and try to score it a little bit, so penetrate some of that fat down. This one has most of the fat on one side. There's hardly nothing over here, so we're gonna focus more on this side. So go ahead and get your knife and go ahead and score it. All right, pretty much like that. So what I'm gonna do with mine, you don't have to do this. I'm gonna put a binder on there. Most people use, I guess, just plain old mustard, but I got some of this sweet golden mustard that I got left over. So I'm gonna go ahead and use that just to go ahead and like elevate it a little bit more. You can use olive oil, W sauce. I mean, there's a whole bunch of stuff you can binder it with. You know, you just want to put something on there to get those seasonings to stick to it. So I'm gonna go ahead and pour some of this mustard on top of it. I'm gonna rub all this in. Go ahead and get all the sides. Okay, after you got it lathered up, I normally take 2 different seasonings. I'm using this Shake Tasty from Fire and Smoke. This is more of an all-purpose seasoning. It's got your salt, your peppers, and your garlic powders, but this also has turmeric in there for color, so I like to layer it with this. Then over top of that, I like to use just any type of dry rub. This is more on the sweeter side. Go ahead and just cover that up so you got your sweet and you got your salt mixed in together. So first thing we're gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and put that Shake Tasty on there. And feel free to layer this thing up. This is a lot of meat. I mean, it'll take it. Don't be shy with it.
This is easy.
All right, after you got it covered up, I like to let it rest for about 20 minutes, let some of those seasonings dig into the meat while I go ahead and get my smoker ready, and we'll be right back. All right, y'all, it's been about 18 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and pick up the Boston butt. I'm gonna put it on a cooking tray. Be right back. All right, I placed the pork shoulder on a cooking tray. I got it on here upside down because when you put it on your smoker, your grill, you got these pieces that stick up. You don't want this getting caught if you're trying to move it around. So I put it upside down. That way it's easier to slide. You know, you can move it around however you need to. So I got my smoker. It's set on 275. We're gonna go ahead and load it up. Be right back. All right, so I'm using this Pit Boss's Competition blend. I love the flavor that it gives off. Or, you know, this is good for different types of meats. So, I mean, it's pretty much perfect for anything. So I'm using this today. Just make sure that your loader is full of pellets because this is going to take a long time. Once again, I got this set at 275. And we're gonna probably come back out here in an hour and check on it. Probably have to spray the sides a little bit with a little apple cider vinegar, and that's pretty much it. We'll be right back. All right, we're gonna go ahead and open up smoker. Go ahead and place it right in the center. Go ahead and close it off. All right, y'all, we hit the 3.5 hour mark. What I got right here is a little bit of apple cider vinegar mixed with some apple juice. We're just gonna go ahead and spray it up. Just to keep it nice and moist. And that's pretty much it for right now. We're gonna go ahead and close it. We still got a long way to go. Probably around 165, 170. We're gonna pull it off and we're gonna put it in a pan and we're gonna wrap it up and we're gonna put it back in the smoker, let it finish cooking. All right, be right back. All right, y'all. My thermometer is going off at 167, so that means it's time to take this off.
This is easy.
Put it in an aluminum pan and cover it up. We're gonna take it inside. Be right back. All right, y'all, I'm back in the house. So what I did, I went ahead and put the pork shoulder in an aluminum pan. I got my vinegar barbecue sauce that I made. You got to check my video out. I'm gonna put a little bit of that on top. And after that, I'm gonna go ahead and put some brown sugar and some butter on it, and we're gonna cover it up. Put it back on the smoker. All right, then we're just gonna go ahead and cover it up with aluminum foil. Now, one thing, I do got my probe. I'm gonna go ahead and put that, insert that back in the spot I had it in. Make sure I don't touch the bone. And then finish covering it up. All right, we're gonna go ahead and put it back on the smoker. All right, y'all, I'm back at the smoker. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in. Right there in the middle, make sure it's covered up. We're gonna close this up. I got my wire for my probe. Go ahead and plug this up. When it reaches about 200, 203 degrees, we're gonna go ahead, take it off. See you in a second. All right, you guys, my phone is binging. That means we at 203 degrees. I come outside to check it. We right here at 203. Hey, it's time to take this mug off, bring it in the house, let it cool down about 45 minutes. We're gonna shred it up. Be right back. All right, y'all, it's been about 45 minutes. I tried to let it cool down, but right now it's time to dig into it. We're gonna go ahead and open this up. Oh yeah, look at that color. There you go. That's beautiful. Take a look at that. Look at that. Got this bone right here. Should pull right out. Look at that. Look at that. Hey, give that to the dog. He gonna love you. Put that over there. Man, look at this. Man, it's still hot, y'all. Lord have mercy. Man, I'm ready to dig into this. It's still hot. I'm gonna use these claws. Try to break this up. All right, y'all, so I shredded it up. This is what it looks like. Look at that smoke ring. Check that out right there. Look at that. That ain't number flavor. Man, shoot. Hey, that's up to y'all now. You can do whatever you want. Make sandwiches, which is what I'm about to do. You can make tacos, you know, quesadillas. Hey, whatever you want to make. You can throw it on a baked potato. Man, pulled pork is endless. You can do whatever you want. But you know what it is. It's time to eat. My name is Trey. This is Mastablendz. I'm out.